Everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn at Cloud Analytics. So, the third question that we had from the business out of the workshop that we had is, which product and segment should the company continue to invest in? So, for this, let's quickly look at the columns that we have here. So, we would need to select segment and product name by profit. So the visual that I'd be selecting here is I'll go with this waterfall chart, and this is because I can easily look at where in which particular segment do we see a increase in the profit and also the decrease in the profit, so that it gives me a holistic idea of how the breakdown has been currently looked at by considering both the segment and product name. So therefore it's easier and helpful for me to make the analysis out of the given data. So here I could easily understand that there are increase in the profit for this particular segment. So as you can see, for consumer it holds the highest profit when compared to the other segments. And also if you see this the corporate and the consumer segments have got considerably lesser profit. And so this is how you could make an analysis out of your data set.